Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to VEED for face blur and privacy controls step by step clearly. Visit the VEED.io website in your preferred web browser. On the home page, locate and click on the pricing tab in the main menu. Review the subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the Select Plan button next to your chosen option. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password and enter it in the designated area. If you already have an account, click on the Login option instead. After filling in your details, review the subscription terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Proceed by clicking on the Continue or Sign Up button. You may be prompted to provide payment information. Enter your credit card details or choose an alternative payment method. Double-check your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Complete Purchase button. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Log into your VEED account using your email and password. Navigate to the editing dashboard. Locate the face blur and privacy controls feature within the editing tools. Begin editing your video using the face blur and other privacy options available. You are now ready to enjoy your VEED subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.